In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add videos to your call to action, CTAs, step by step. If you want to boost clicks, increase conversions, and make your CTAs more engaging, adding a video behind them is one of the smartest things you can do. I'll walk you through the entire process, from creating the landing page to placing your CTA anywhere on your website, blog, or even inside your emails. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step marketing tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create a landing page that will host your video. So go to your dashboard and navigate to Content, then click on Landing Pages. Once you're there, click on Create Page. This is where your video will live. Think of this landing page as the destination your CTA will send people to. You can choose a template if available, or start from scratch, depending on your platform. Give your landing page a clear and relevant name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you plan on creating multiple campaigns. After creating the page, make sure to save your progress. Next, we're going to add the video module to this landing page. Inside the page editor, look for the option to add a new module or block. From the available modules, select the video module. Once you add it, you'll be prompted to upload your video file or paste in a video URL, depending on what your platform supports. This could be a product demo, an explainer video, a testimonial, or any content that supports your call to action. After inserting the video, adjust the alignment, sizing, and spacing so it looks clean and professional. You can also add a headline or short description above or below the video to give viewers context. Once everything looks good, save or publish the landing page. Now that your landing page with the video is ready, it's time to create the actual CTA. To do this, go to Marketing and then click on CTAs. From there, select the option to create a new CTA. You'll usually be able to choose the CTA type, such as a button, banner, or pop-up. Choose the format that best fits your campaign goals. Customize the text to make it action-driven and compelling. For example, instead of saying, "Learn more," you might say, "Watch the free demo," or "See how it works." The more specific your CTA text is, the higher your click-through rate is likely to be. Once your CTA design and text are ready, the most important step is setting the link. In the CTA settings, find the link or destination URL field. Paste the URL of the landing page you just created with the video module. Double-check that the link is correct to avoid sending traffic to the wrong page. This step connects everything together. Now when someone clicks your CTA, they'll be directed straight to your landing page where the video is hosted. After saving your CTA, the final step is placing it wherever you need it. Most platforms will give you an embed code or placement options. You can add the CTA to your website homepage, product pages, blog posts, or even inside email campaigns. If you're using it on a website, simply copy and paste the embed code into your site builder. If you're adding it to an email, use the CTA insertion tool provided in your email editor. The flexibility here is powerful because you can drive traffic to your video landing page from multiple channels at once. And that's it. You've successfully created a landing page, added a video module, built a CTA, linked it properly, and placed it wherever you need to drive engagement. Adding videos to your call to action strategy can significantly improve conversions because video builds trust and explains your offer more effectively than text alone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical marketing tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.